Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Do you know that Nokia is in the top 10 best-selling phone brands in the world? Moreover, it is the third most popular brand in UK. To be honest, I was very surprised when learned this information in early 2018. So if you thought that Nokia is dead, then you were wrong. Now Nokia belongs to Chinese company HMD and it releases very interesting devices. In February 2018, Nokia announced its new phones such as Nokia 7 Plus, Nokia 8 Sirocco and some others. In this video, I want to talk about Nokia 7 Plus and compare it with Xiaomi Mi A1 because it is one of the best and most popular mid-range phones around the world. In the description, you can find links where to buy smartphones and some other useful information about these devices. Xiaomi Mi A1 was released in September 2017, so it didn't get into the trend of full-screen design or 18:9 aspect ratio display. The smartphone comes with quite big bezels around the display, especially on top and bottom. Perhaps it is the main reason why you should not buy this phone in 2018 and wait for Mi A2. From the other side, Xiaomi phone looked similar to iPhone 7 Plus and OnePlus 5. I think it has very beautiful design. The body is made of metal with plastic strips on the back. 5.5-inch display occupies the front panel. Under the screen, you can see capacitive backlit keys. As for the back panel, there is dual camera, flash and fingerprint reader. By the way, Xiaomi Mi A1 has USB Type-C port, Air Blaster, 3.5mm audio jack and dual SIM card slot. If we talk about Nokia 7 Plus, it has updated design with 18:9 display, so the bezels around the display look much thinner than Xiaomi Mi A1. The body of Nokia phone is made from single piece of aluminum with matte finish. To be honest, when you first take the phone in your hands, it is hard to determine whether the body is made of metal or plastic. Although Nokia 7 Plus has 6-inch display, the dimensions are not much bigger than Xiaomi Mi A1. However, Mi A1 is thinner. Nokia 7 Plus also has dual rear camera, but it has vertical position. In addition, there is flashlight and fingerprint reader. Just like Xiaomi device, Nokia comes with USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack and NFC. So if you compare only design of Xiaomi Mi A1 and Nokia 7 Plus, then Nokia device looks better thanks to 18:9 display. In general, both phones have great build quality. As I already said, the Xiaomi Mi A1 has 5.5-inch display, while Nokia 7 Plus comes with 6-inch screen. Now let's talk about them in details. Nokia 7 Plus has Full HD Plus resolution 1080x2160 pixels. As you understand, it is 18:9 aspect ratio. By the way, the screen occupies about 77.2% of front panel. Also, it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. As for Xiaomi Mi A1, it has Full HD resolution 1080x1920 pixels. The screen comes with 16:9 aspect ratio and it occupies 70.1% of front panel. So the difference is significant between these phones. Also, Nokia 7 Plus has bigger display, its size is almost the same as Xiaomi Mi A1. It means that Nokia phone comes with much thinner bezels around the screen. We know that these phones are mid-rangers, so both of them provide very good performance. However, Nokia 7 Plus is newer, so it is powered by more powerful chipset Snapdragon 660. Also, it has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. The first benchmarks show that it scores about 140,000 points in Antutu, which is very good result. As for Xiaomi Mi A1, it is also powered by Snapdragon processor, but 625 model. The smartphone has the same memory, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Xiaomi Mi A1 has about 77,000 points in Antutu. Nokia 7 Plus is much more powerful phone than Xiaomi Mi A1 because it is powered by flagship chipset. From the other side, Snapdragon 625 may not be the most powerful processor, but it provides balanced performance. Even in the battery category, Nokia 7 Plus looks better than Xiaomi Mi A1. The new smartphone comes with 3800 mAh battery, while Xiaomi device has only 3080 mAh battery. The HMD global company promises about 2 days of working on a single charge for Nokia 7 Plus. Xiaomi Mi A1 also has good battery life, but it is less than Nokia phone. Xiaomi is famous for its good cameras in budget phones. It is true, Xiaomi Mi A1 is one of the best camera phones in budget and mid-range category. This smartphone is equipped with dual rear camera of 12 megapixels and f2.2 and f2.6 aperture. Also, there is 5 megapixel front camera. You can make really good photos on Xiaomi Mi A1. However, it seems that Nokia 7 Plus is better. It also comes with two 12 megapixel sensors on the back panel, but they have f1.75 and f2.6 aperture. The smartphone should take better images at night. Also, there is 16 megapixel front camera. By the way, Nokia 7 Plus uses Carl Zeiss optics, and it says of high quality. And the last category for this comparison is the price. As you can see, Nokia 7 Plus is a winner in all categories except the price. I said that these phones are both mid-range phones, however, Nokia device costs twice more expensive than Xiaomi Mi A1. Right now, you can buy Xiaomi phone for about $210, while Nokia device costs about $400. Nokia 7 Plus has updated design, big display with thin bezels, powerful hardware, great battery and cameras. It's definitely better than Xiaomi Mi A1. Of course, the main reason why Xiaomi Mi A1 lost because it was released almost half a year ago, while Nokia 7 Plus has the latest feature of 2018. So if you choose from these phones, then Nokia 7 Plus will be a better option. However, we are waiting for Xiaomi Mi A2 because it should be very interesting. Thanks for watching. What do you think about my comparison? Write in comments below. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.